Hi friends. Welcome back to BrightU. There are some qualities that students should possess in order to be successful in their studies. These traits help students come up with solutions to the problems that face them in their studies for increased performance. This custom essay outlines some of the habits which successful students do not possess, making them excel in studies. Number 1. Waiting to plan close to the deadline. This is where students plan the assignment to be completed the last minute the assignment is to be submitted, making the student confused when the deadline is close. Working on assignments close to the deadline time leads to mistakes such as grammar and spelling due to the rush. Number 2. Excessive use of caffeine. This is the use of drinks to stimulate thinking. These drinks include coffee or drinks with caffeine to gain the power to read. The use of caffeine drinks affects the heart rate and sleeping patterns, making it hard for the students to focus on studies due to the high concentration of caffeine. Number 3. Reading all night. Studying all night makes a student feel dizzy due to many working hours, leaving the student with a depressing experience about studies. The student is likely to sleep during the day due to being exhausted from all the learning during the night. In the long run, the students will lose a lot due to the sleep during the day from reading all night. Number 4. Visiting social network sites while studying. Visiting social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube while studying distracts students from concentrating on their studies. This tempts the students to chat on social media sites while studying, thus losing the focus on their studies. Due to the distractions from the use of social media sites in the study room, students face challenges managing their time and end up failing in exams. Number 5. Studying in the bedroom. Students who study in their bedroom end up sleeping without finishing their assignments, making it hard for the student to be successful in academics. The bedroom makes the students get tempted to relax. In bedrooms, students may also engage in other activities which are more entertaining, rather than studying. These distracting activities may involve listening to music or playing computer games. Number 6. Leaving certain problems. In some instances, students do not understand some subjects and will try to get their way out, or they will copy from other students who understand the problem better. Ignoring a certain problem makes it hard for the student to have the required knowledge about the subject. When students do not try the hard topics, it becomes stressful for the student to understand the whole syllabus, as some problems are ignored by the student. Number 7. Not doing homework. When a student fails to work as expected in class and listening to the teacher on how to handle certain problems, it becomes complex for the student to understand and be successful. The students who do not handle homework are not able to understand further what is taught in class. Number 8. Stressed after failing. After making mistakes, the student should find ways to rectify the mistakes so as to get better results in the future. When students become stressed after failing, their confidence is lost, making it hard for them to be successful. Now what do you say about this video? Let me know your answers and opinions in the comment box below. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching guys. See you in an interesting topic.